Why do we like to keep everything under our control so much? Maybe because keeping ourselves under the impression that we've got everything sorted provides us with an illusory sense of security. And it is as illusory and as unreal as it gets. I believe this is a question we all need to ask ourselves. We all need to introspect and see what actually makes us chase this sense of control. And at the same time, we also need to check whether we actually do have anything under our control or not. And if yes, then to what degree is that situation under our control? These are a few questions we all need to ask ourselves about the situations where we have to take a few tough decisions. The thing is that we still do somewhere feel that the world revolves around us and thus try to gain control over our surroundings and the situations we face. We need to understand that we are just a small part of this weird and confusing system that many fail to understand, and that there are billions of other people like us and millions of other species that coexist with us in this system, which we call the world. There are plenty of things which are completely out of our control, and thus we do need to create a divide between the things that we can control and the things we can't. We need to learn to accept things as they are. There will be things happening that we didn't expect or didn't want at all. We all will find ourselves in tough and painful situations one day or another. But that's about it. We just cannot change or control these situations in any possible way. All we can control is our reactions and our responses to such situations. So basically, all we can control is ourselves and not the world we're in. We will have to accept the challenges that come our way and adapt accordingly. And yes, I'm not asking you to stay still and let people do whatever they want to with your lives. And neither am I asking you to let go of all the tough decisions you have to make because there isn't actually anything that you can gain control over. No. All I'm asking you to do is to accept that there will always be things which you cannot control at all. And identify such situations or challenges before making any crucial decisions and react or decide accordingly. Although it might seem a bit too simple, but trust me, it's not. Analyzing the situations and estimating the amount of control we can gain over them and reacting accordingly is not that simple at times. Letting go of that sense of control and the desire to win over every situation is the most difficult process. At least to me it is. But at the same time, being able to accept things as they are and staying away from all the illusions of security and certainty provides you with so much peace and tranquility that all the difficulties seem so little in comparison. So the next time you find yourselves under crisis or you're having a hard time sorting things out, just try to find out whether you can actually improve that situation while being the exactly same person that you are, or if there is something that you need to change internally in order to do that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye.